Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your girl, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a brand new hair company that I've never worked before. They sent me this beautiful, gorgeous unit. So if you want to know all the details on this popping hair right here, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, so the wig that I'm going to be sharing with you guys today is coming from the company called ReadyWig. They reached out to me and wanted me to do a hair review for them today. So I actually have been holding on to this bad boy for like a few days now. I literally have been cringing, but I wanted to do this on Christmas to kind of be like a little gift to myself. I'm going to go ahead and open my box, and I believe it took only about 2 to 3 business days. The shipping was not that long at all. So, ooh, I need some scissors. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Even though I shouldn't really be using hair scissors, but. So I'm just going to open it up for you guys. Let me step back one. It came in this FedEx priority mail box. Yeah, priority shipping. Ooh, the box is pink. Like, I'm getting excited because I love really, really good packaging. Oh my gosh. Okay. It's so hard to rip open. Oh my gosh, this box looks so cute. I'm a sucker for good packaging. Oh my gosh, this is cute. I like. Okay, I like the packaging. So I get a thumbnail. The packaging is nice. I like this. So yeah, the name of the company is called ReadyWig. And yes, I like the pink and black. That's so cute. So I'm just gonna open it. This is my first time literally opening it. Oh my goodness, they must have been watching my videos because look at the wig cap. Look at the wig cap. Yes. So they sent me a wig cap that definitely matches my scalp tone. I love that. So I probably am going to wind up using their wig cap because this one is a little old, but I don't know. So inside, ooh, okay. This is so cute. So they have a little message inside the box that says, I love that we met and I hope you enjoy the hair. Oh, that is so sweet. Like, I just love really good packaging, and it just really shows that they care about, you know, your it really just shows that a company cares about their customers with the packaging. So inside there's a little card that has hair care tips, and then on the back it lists their social media, so you can follow them to get special offers, and they have a rewards program, which is really, really cool. And yeah, so they definitely have everywhere. I am going to tag them in my photos when I post them. And also, you guys, do not forget to check out the description box down below because I am going to leave a coupon code that you can use. And the coupon code is simply Ashley. So I'm going to probably list that right here too. Definitely check them out. Don't forget to check. Oh, this is cute too. So they sent a little spray bottle, but it's just as cute. I could put some products in there to definitely keep this wig nice and moisturized. And this is definitely something different. I've never seen a company put this in here, so that's some more brownie points for ReadyWig from me, from your girl. So I love that. That's really, really cute. So the wig that I got was a black body wave wig, which I also really do like a nice natural looking wig, just so that way it's something that I can wear pretty much every day. I'm sorry, I'm struggling. So this is the wig. It is a lace front wig, and it just has a net on the outside with some tissue paper in it. I'm just gonna take this net off. I always smell, y'all already know, I always smell my hair when I get it, because that's one thing about me. Ooh. That's one thing about me, like, I like my hair to smell good. I don't care if it's synthetic, human, whatever, my hair needs to smell good. Because, I mean, I don't want my boo, I mean, I'm just saying, can't be all up on me and then my hair smell like trash. Anyway, so, okay, so it doesn't smell bad at all. And it doesn't have that over processed smell either. I hate that smell. So it's definitely smelling really, really good. And I probably am going to spray some oil sheen on it. But I just want y'all to get a close up on this wave pattern. Like, they did the daggone thing. Like, this wave pattern is definitely giving me like that nice water wave or a loose body wave. And the hair is definitely very, very soft. My fingers, y'all, gliding through, okay? And I have me some little nails on. So my fingers are definitely gliding through the wig. Y'all, the wig. Ooh, okay, hold on. Can I take a nap? Can I take a nap real quick, y'all? Like, the wig is soft. Like, the wig is definitely soft. Like, it does not feel synthetic at all whatsoever. I am going to show y'all the inside construction. So it's looking like we got 2 combs right here in the front. 2 combs in the front, and then we have a comb in the back with adjustable straps. I love that because I am a big-headed girl and I need me some straps. So they definitely look like some nice good construction. And then I think we have 13 by 4 inches of lace. Yes, so 4 inches of lace right here and then 13 inches across. I like that. And this hairline is looking pretty natural. Like, it's not really thick at all, which I love. So that means I don't have to do that much work. And they did give me some baby hairs up here, so I definitely appreciate that. And I am going to get a little close up so y'all can kind of see what this hairline is looking like. Y'all can see that. Like, they did a pretty, really, I'm not gonna say decent, they did a daggone good job. Like, they did a daggone thing with this lace. Like, I'm definitely shook right now because I was not expecting this. And it's so freaking soft. Like, oh my gosh, I love a synthetic wig that's just soft because, I mean, you can really be out here fooling people. So I love this. So what I'm gonna do is just adjust the straps to the last notch on the back because y'all already know I don't really use the combs if I don't have to. And then I'm going to go ahead and start cutting my lace off and getting that all situated. Because I really want to do like a flip over. I really didn't want to part it, so we'll see. Ooh, this looked like I just got out the bed and I woke up like this. Oh yeah, I'm definitely rocking this my whole entire winter vacation. Y'all, I can do half up, half down. Ah, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, so let me stop playing and get the cut in because, like, I'm about to be serving scalp in these streets. I'm so hyped. I'm so hyped. Okay. Alright, you all, that is all that I have for this video. I hope that you all enjoyed it. Definitely do not forget to check out that description box down below for all the details on this unit, as well as don't forget to grab that discount code. They're having a great sale going on right now, and that discount code will definitely help you out if you are looking for something affordable to go into the new year with. Definitely do not forget to check them out. And also do not forget to leave me a comment down below. Share this video with your friends, and y'all already know what to do. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will catch y'all in my next video. Bye.